Sodium chloride contains 60.7% of chlorine by mass, and assuming that a solid sodium chloride sample is contaminated with potassium chloride powder, would the percentage of chlorine be higher or lower in the sample? Well, the percentage of chlorine in potassium chloride powder can be obtained using the molar masses in the periodic table. So we have the molar mass of chlorine over the molar mass of potassium chloride, which gives 47.6% of chlorine in potassium chloride. So therefore, given this percentage is lower than a percentage of chlorine in sodium chloride, then we expect that the percentage of chlorine in the entire sample would be lower. And really have a think about this. A potassium powder comprises 41.1% of potassium by mass. Now the potassium is present as potassium chloride as a solid, which has the following molar mass. And how many grams of potassium chloride are in the powder? Well, we can obtain the mass of potassium in the powder using the percentage and then we need to convert this into a number of moles of potassium, which is the mass of the potassium on the molar mass of potassium, which we can obtain from the periodic table. And we can see that 1 mole of potassium chloride has 1 mole of potassium. So therefore the mass of potassium chloride is equal to the number of moles of potassium, and we multiply this by 1 mole of potassium chloride per 1 mole of potassium. So these cancel, and then to get the mass of potassium chloride, we multiply by the molar mass of potassium chloride. So the moles cancel, and we're left with grams when we do the multiplication. So that gives 0.564 grams.